Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Belajar Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yako, and this channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on videos. And when you click on video, you'll be able to see my present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So all you have to do is to scroll down and see my tutorial. All these tutorials have been made for basic to advanced in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do is to watch the video, learn one or two things, and if you have any question as far as my tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. So let's get the tutorial started. Welcome back, friends. I welcome you to my Corel X7 tutorial for beginner, and this is the day 12 of this beginner tutorial. If you have not watched my previous tutorial, kindly check the tutorial on my channel. So the channel name will still remain Belajar Graphics and Multimedia. When you visit, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, so let's start today's tutorial. So under the shape tools, go back to our pen tool, our toolbar again. Now we select star. Now when you select star, you come to the top here and check the star property. Now we have the default star property to 5. So you can come down below here and press that control key and draw a perfect star. And you press P to centralize. So now you can see that we have our 5-angle star. So let's delete this. If you want to make a complex star, you can come to the menu bar here, delete this figure here, then type the number of figure you will need to have. So this is now I type 8. Then you come down the work area, press Ctrl down, and draw your 8-angle star. So this is how you play around with the shape. Then you can as well go back to your toolbar and select your shape tools. And you can decide to take it out a little bit and just be playing around with the shape. So this is how it looks. Then you can as well come here and change the width 20. Sorry. So you can apply stroke color and you can apply color fill. So this is how you play around with the shape in Corel X7. So let's take a look at another shape, Corel. So the next to it here is what we call complex star. So complex star is also something nice in Corel shape. You can make it draw like this. You can also come to menu bar here and change the figure size to, let's try and see 15. Then you press enter. It's going to take place automatically. So this is how things are done in 7. Then you go back to our shape now. Now this is the next to it here is what we call graph paper tool. This graph paper tool is what we make. It's something like when you select it, then you come to the property here. You can change the figure from the 4 row to another size. Then you try 6. Then the column here is 3. Then you can come here and change the width. This is the stroke or the stroke width side, and you click on OK. Okay, so 16. Then you can come here and change the stroke style and decide to change that stroke style. Okay, let me pick this. Then you click on OK. Now we can draw our graph paper. So we're going to have something nice like this. Like this. This is because this is what we set as far as our format is concerned when we are trying to format the star. So we can go back to our graph paper tools again and change our format. So this time around I'm going to make this of 8, and my column now I'm going to make this of 12. Then we'll just use normal stroke. 3 stroke, and I'll click on OK. Now come here, I will make use of normal stroke. Now click on OK. Now drag and draw stop. So this is how graph paper tools works, and we can press P to centralize. So we can try to make use of a receipt design with this type of graph paper tools in Corel X7. So let's delete it and look for another shape style in CorelDRAW. So this one here next to it is spiral. So we click on it and draw a perfect spiral. So we can decide to increase the stroke width 20, 5. Then we can come here from the menu bar, has property as well. You can increase the figure to 6. Then we can change the style. So finally we can press enter on our keyboard. So everything is going to update. So we can change the color to whatever we like. So this is how spiral works. Then we can as well go back and see another shape style. Under here we have basic shapes. So under this basic shapes, there are a lot of shapes under it. When you select basic shape, you look for the menu bar and see basic shape property. So this is where it's good. So we can select any one of our choice there and try to play around with the shape. This depends on what exactly we want to design. So I select this. We can change the color. Then we can change the stroke color white. Then you see this red dot here. It simply means one thing. So if we click on it, it's going to move. This is simply means we can drag and increase our stuff. So if you want more, or if you want it out, drag it out. So dragging just to increase, then you drag out to reduce. So that is how this works. So we can delete it and go back to the basic shape again. So we have a lot of things. We can select this type of heart, then control key down and drag it. You can fill it with color. This is how you get a simple heart shape in CorelDRAW. So let's quickly go back to our basic shape and see some other shapes there. Here we have arrow shape. So under this arrow shape, look at the menu bar and select different type of arrow that you would like to make use in Corel. So you can press that control key and drag. Then this arrow also something like previous one I select. You can drag it out and form your own costume arrow. So you can apply color. So you can apply color stroke. You can increase the width, stroke width. Okay, so let's quickly delete it and look for another one here. Here we have banner shape. So click on it. Different type of banner shape that you can use for your design. Then the same thing here happens like drag and you can fill with color. That's it. So let's quickly delete it and see how you get more custom shape in CorelDRAW. So to get more custom shape in CorelDRAW, you have to go to your menu bar, click on text. So when you click on text, the next to it is to look for insert character, or you press Ctrl plus F11 on your keyboard. So you're going to have the format beside your Corel. It's going to appear like this. So this is how then the logic here is to come here and click on where you have your font style. Then you type wing. So you're going to see a variety of custom shape. You can select any one you like. Okay, from here you can see we have a phone icon. When you double click, it's going to appear on your Corel workspace. So you can expand and change the color. So you can scroll down and look for more custom shape. So there are a lot of custom shape you can use in CorelDRAW. So you can as well go back from the font style here and choose another type of custom shape. So this is another call icon. Just double click, it's going to open in Corel workspace. So you can fill this with another color also. And scissors. And we can fill this one with the color. These are vector custom shape in Corel X7 tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, click like button. Remember to subscribe to the channel. And finally, if you have any question, put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. See you soon.